Hello, children. Good morning. So, next tense in this series we will learn is the present continuous tense. Now, let us look at the picture. The verb which clicks the mind is play. At the moment, I am playing football. The present continuous tense, look at the table. So, in the first column, here are given subjects. Pronouns are given first person, second person, third person. In the second column, we have helping verbs, that is MR. And in the third column, there is verb plus ing. Play is the verb and ing. So, the present continuous tense structure is for affirmative sentence I am playing, you are playing, we are playing, they are playing, he is playing, she is playing, it is playing. The present continuous tense, you see the example here are given of interrogative sentence. Is he playing football at the moment? No, he is not. He is running. So now let us see the structure for sentences interrogative and negative. Now for interrogative sentence, let us look. Interrogative sentence, am I playing? So here it is helping verb is given in first column, then subject is given in second column, and verb plus ing in third column. So am I playing? Are you playing? Are we playing? Are they playing? Is he playing? Is she playing? Is it playing? So that is the structure of interrogative sentence. Next is the structure of negative sentence, the second table here. So for making negative sentence, we use helping verb plus not. So the structure will be subject plus helping verb plus not plus verb plus ing. So examples are I am not playing, you are not playing, we are not playing, they are playing, they are not playing, he is not playing, she is not playing, it is not playing. What is she doing? So the verb is draw. Sentence answer is she is drawing a picture at the moment. What is Tweety doing? It's flying. Verb plus ing spelling rule. Listen plus ing, listening. Die, ie. If there is ie at the end of the verb, we will use y. ie will be replaced by the letter y plus ing. So it will be dying, dying. Right. Now at the end, if it is e, so when we will add ing, e will be removed and only ing will be used. Writing. Hope, it is hop. So it is hop, hopping. Double p will be used. And there is one hope, hope. There we will not use hoping. Right? Travel, travel. Double L will be used. Traveling. Begin, beginning. Rub, rubbing. Double B, double N. Get, getting, again double T. Listen, listening. LISTEN. E, lie, lying, Lying, lying. Swim, swimming. Studying, happening. Put, double T, putting. Come, come. So I will be E will be removed. Coming, ing, direct. Decide, de, so E is removed and ing. Try, simple ing. Admit, again double T is used. Use, 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 using, E is removed. Now where we use present continuous tense. Number 1, actions which are happening at or around the moment of speaking. Now I am doing the washing up. She is working very hard nowadays. So action which are happening at the moment, at the time of speaking. Second, temporary situations. I am staying with a friend at the moment. Actions that are happening at present. They are dancing right now. Temporary situations. They normally play tennis. Now regular basis they play tennis. So here in this sentence it is simple present tense. They, verb first form, play. So it is simple present when it is the action is happening regularly, again and again. Remember? So present simple tense in the first sentence. They normally play tennis. That is regular situation. But for the time, for short period of time, it is a temporary situation, we will use present continuous tense. But this week they are skating. Normally they play tennis, but this week they are skating. The present continuous tense is used for number 3 is changing or developing situations. His English is getting better. It's getting colder. So something is changing. Some situation is changing. Fixed arrangements in the near future. Something is planned for near future, so there also we will use present continuous tense. They are getting married next week, so that marriage is fixed in near future, so that is fixed arrangement. We can use present continuous tense. They are getting married next week. Changing situation as discussed earlier. More example, yesterday it was very sunny. Yesterday was sunny, now today the situation changed. So it is today it's raining more and more. Future arrangements example you see. They are celebrating a party next weekend. The present continuous tense expression now, time expressions, these are now, at the moment, today, nowadays, this week. So these are time adverb of time which are generally used in present continuous tense. Time expressions we had also seen in simple present tense, usually, always. So like that, here it is given the time expressions for the present continuous tense: now, at the moment, today, nowadays, this week. Example, they are throwing snowballs. So that's it, children. I hope you would have understood the topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.